To hit a target in this manner is to exercise the inner strength. Indeed, there are two kinds of strength. The outer strength is obvious. It fades with age and succumbs to sickness. Then there is the chi, the inner strength. Everyone possesses it too. But it is indeed much more difficult to develop. The inner strength lasts through every heat and every cold, through old age and beyond.
Welcome to this video today, which is all about how to learn Forex trading and how to basically get on the road to trading success. And you might be wondering why I've used that short clip on the way in talking about inner strength. Well, the reason I've done it is the big misconception about Forex trading is, that it relies on complicated methods or secrets to market movement. It actually doesn't. It relies on using a simple system, and I'll go through how you get a simple system together that works in a moment. But it also relies on the mindset to execute your system with discipline. And this is the hard part for most Forex traders. I'm going to show you why in a moment, and also give you some tips on how to get that right mindset to trade for success. Now, in terms of a method, all you need is a simple method based upon charts and technical analysis. And what you're going to be doing is trading high odds setups with it. And you can actually learn everything you need for free on technical analysis on the net and put together your own system. Now, you might be thinking you need a complicated system to win, or a secret or something. No, you don't. You'll see a lot of people telling you that they can predict the future. That's all utter rubbish. And you'll find a lot of people saying that complex systems work better than the simple ones. This is simply not true. And it's proven by a fact. 90% of traders have always lost money. They lost 30 years ago. They'll lose 30 years into the future. Now, that is showing you that there's something else that's needed for Forex trading success, because obviously all that complex technology and people discovering secrets, so they say, has not increased the number of winners. So what does that fact actually tell you? It tells you that simple systems work best, but it also tells you that human nature is the reason why 90% of traders fail. It's their psychology that's wrong, not their method in most cases, and I'll come to this in a moment. So you only need a simple system. You base it around charts, and you basically can learn the high odds formations. Sure, you're going to have losses, but if you keep your losses small, run your profits with a simple system, you can make money. To give you an example of how simple a system can be, mine is just trend lines and 3 confirming indicators, and I've used that since 1986, and it works. If you complicate a method too much, or just have too many elements to break, you're not trading a scientific market, you're trading an odds market. So that suits simple trading systems. What I would say is, when you're looking at trading systems, make sure you trade longer term. Do not fall for the scalping and day trading myth. If you scalp or day trade, you're just trading the noise in the markets. You've got low odds of success. Now, I know most traders do this. Most traders lose, and you won't find professional traders doing it. They will either be swing trading, moves which will last a couple of days to a week, or trend following, those long-term trends that last for weeks or longer. Now, in terms of a system, what you've got to keep in mind is that if you've got a system and you're going to trade it, you have to trade it with emotional discipline and follow your rules. And this is where most traders lose money. They don't understand that you've got to keep losses small. And they also don't understand that you're going to lose probably half your trades or more. The best traders in the world probably only win on 50% of their trades, and you can expect maybe a similar hit rate. So you're going to be losing half the time. Don't believe the myth that you win 80 or 90% of the time. You don't. A lot of junk systems selling that myth. Not even George Soros did that. You focus on, with a good system, winning around half your trades, and then you have to keep your losses small. Most traders let their egos get involved. They let the loss run. They don't want to look stupid. they hope it turns around. That will lead to disaster. You have to cut your losses. And on the other side, you have to run your profits to cover your losses, which means you have to have confidence in what you're doing. But if you understand your system and you understand why it's got an edge in the markets, you can follow your system to trading success. Now, I've just said that you can learn everything for free and get a method together for yourself, which is simple, but you do need to have that right mindset. It comes from confidence in what you're doing. What I would strongly recommend you do is read some interviews with the great traders. And I would actually advise getting a couple of books, Market Wizards and the New Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. And he interviews all the best traders around. And when you read that book, you'll see that their methods are fairly simple. And these are guys who are making hundreds of millions of dollars. They all have an edge, and they all have emotional discipline, which is to keep their losses small, stay with their plan, and run their profits. If you deviate from your system and override your signals, you do not have a system at all. So I think those two books are a great investment, or just look around the net for videos and so forth on Market Wizards, and you'll basically see what the real route to trading success is. Forex markets offer a great opportunity for profit, but you do need an education, but that'll only take a couple of weeks to learn a system, and then you need to basically focus on your mindset. It is a mindset that is the key, and as the intro video basically stressed, it's that inner strength to execute a plan that is so important. The Forex markets will offer you a great long-term income. There's no question anyone can learn a simple system that can win. You do have to have the right mindset, but keep in mind that with mindset, choosing to be a disciplined trader is a choice, and it's a choice that anyone can make. So if you make the right choice, you can get in the elite 5% of winners. Forex trading is as much about mindset as it is about method, and if you keep that in mind, get a simple method, confidence in what you're doing, and get a disciplined mindset, you're all set for Forex trading success. So thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a good day.